Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today's video will show you how to send a picture on Discord. So it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is simply open your Discord application, then open the chat or the person you want to send the image to. Now, there are two ways you can send that image in Discord. First, you can directly drag and drop the image onto the chat over here, and it'll appear right over here. And then you can make any modifications to the attachment, file name, or any description for that image. You can also mark that image as a spoiler if you check this box or if you click on this option. It'll become a spoiler where the user can directly click on it to reveal it. So it's totally up to you. And then, once you have done all the modifications, you can just simply hit enter and the image will be uploaded, as you can see right over here. And the other way to send the image is by clicking on this plus option right over here, then click on Upload a File, then choose the image file manually like this, and then again click on Upload or hit enter, and it'll upload the image like that. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to send pictures on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.